welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'd just like to invite you to subscribe and hit that bell so that you can be informed of other videos. Today I'm doing a pleated mask. I have gone ahead and cut this piece of fabric. It's 15 inches long by 8 inches wide. I have cut a piece of interfacing. This is 8 inches by 7.5 inches, and 2 pieces of elastic 7 inches long each. Now I am going to fold over the fabric, and I'm going to pin these edges together. And as you can see here, I have made 2 marks, 3.5 inches from either side, so I leave a 1 inch in the middle. So I'm going to stitch this now to join to the 3.5 mark, then skip this 1 inch and join to the next 3.5 inch. There it is, stitched together with the opening in the center. Here I have found the center of the fabric, and I have pinned down the seam. I am now going to turn this over and attach the interfacing. I'm just going to pin this in place. All right, with that in place now, I'm going to attach the elastic, but I have to put it on the inside so that when this is stitched, the elastic will be in the correct place. So I'm just going to pin that in place and to the other side. Same thing will be done for the opposite side. And I ensure that the elastic is flat, it's not twisted or anything. That done now, I'm just going to stitch alongside here and alongside here. With the stitching of both sides now done, I am going to use the opening now and turn this onto the other side. Having turned that over now, I am going to put in the pleats. So with the back facing up, I fold one side right to the center opening, and I just use 2 pins to sort of mark that spot. You could also iron it down to hold it in place. I do the same thing on the other side, just fold in to where the center is, where the joining was placed, and then having done that, I now fold from the joining and fold that in half. I could have used the iron, so you could also use the iron to just crease that. I am now going to use the pins, and I am just going to fold these over to mark where the pleats will be. Alright, pins all in place, and you can just measure that to ensure that both sides are equal. Then make the necessary adjustments, and now I am going to just stitch alongside the edges just to ensure that the pleats are stitched down and to make this flat. There you have it, all done. Right, a three-pleated mask.